I'll never not love it. Yeah, the jellied eels emote. I love it. I fucking adore it. Are you worried about your sensor getting gross? Clean out the float? I guess I just run water through it, right? Bottle. Be like, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. Let me type that in chat. Tuesday. It's Tuesday. But this should do it for front end stuff. So if I run that again, it's Tuesday, isn't it? Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. PissCup. Okay, how does this look? How does this look? 1x. Oh, wait. Why did that disappear so fucking fast? Why? Do you see that? 2%. Oh, wait. It went back, right? So it's... At least it's removed there. So, 1x. Huh. That's really weird. Why did you guys saw it disappear? You have a ciggy. You have a smoky ciggy on a Tuesday. Yeah, there it is again. What the fuck was up with that? What is up with that? That's cringe. That has something to do with this. With setting timeout, set interval, last piss. Okay, if last piss. Wait, what's happening? That doesn't make sense. We set this timeout. I mean, if it were doing it. No, we're not doing it every 100 milliseconds because we're in this check. This check to see if last piss is greater than 3000. Does that just like run once at the beginning? Because last piss, I think it might. So I think that, okay, here's my theory, is that happens exactly once, and it happens at 3 seconds after the software starts. I think. Is that what happens? I don't know. Let's run it again. Let's see what happens. It's Tuesday, isn't it? Okay. This looks like it's behaving fine, right? Let's let it go away. And we'll reset. And it should be reset by now, so... Yeah, they're fucking... Never mind, I was wrong. You're still running it every 100 milliseconds, but you're building a backlog of set timeouts that run every 3000 milliseconds. Background equal none. Okay, where do I fucking put this then? Set interval. If this runs every 100 milliseconds, then I think I know what you mean, actually. That does make sense. That does make sense. That does make sense. So instead of that, we could make a thing to like reset it again. Doesn't wait for the 3000. Start a new interval of the timeout to start a new interval. Should we just set up something like, I guess we could do something like this to fix it. Let last timeout, and we could say clear, wait, timeout. Wait, time. Oh wait, is this? No, it's clear timeout. Clear timeout, and we put last timeout, and we could just say, ooh, this is kind of cringe, but this is last timeout, last Tim out, epic. Last timeout. Love that for me. Whatever. Oh, yeah, that's something fucking useless that you can do in VS Code that's kind of cool. Click there, click there, click there, click there, click there. Poggers. Poggers. What like fucking useful, useless. I know, I was like, wow, that's so cool. I mean, I'm like hardly ever gonna use that. What like a useless fucking feature. Unless I'm like missing something about it. Did that, I think that might have, let's see if that fixes it. We'll go reset these, Neo OBS, and then try this out. Okay. And then it seemed like the case where that was happening was here, and then we do it again, like we'd accumulate a backlog of set timeouts, so now it shouldn't be an issue, right? It goes back to 0. Pogger. That's how to do it, right? Yes, yes. When do you clear the interval? Just fucking right here. I guess that's fine. I guess that works. That works for me. I don't give a shit. There's a lot of water on my desk. Okay. Nice. Okay, so that's the front end stuff. Done. Moving back to the back end. Oh, but first, let me say, fuck, where was I? Killer Jack, I think it was a tier 1 sub. The Mothy Boy, 2 month. The Tom Newts for the 4-month resub. Poop Cup project when it's a poop scale. What do you do? What do you do if you hit a wall on a project and don't know what to do? Stop fucking doing it usually, which is advice I need to take more often. Usually I just bang my head against it until I fix it. But a lot of the time, if you just fucking leave and like take a shower or something, take a walk, it is so much like, you just like fucking comes to you. Like an example of this, when we were doing the drill, and I was trying to figure out, someone was mentioning I used like a transistor to run it like with analog. So through PWM on the transistor, I had like no fucking idea what they're talking about. But like a week later, I was like, oh shit, that sounds very simple to do. Like I could do that now, but I already built a drill. But like shit, just like waiting for time, you just kind of figure stuff out. Some programmers also do the rubber ducky method. That shit does not work for me. It's considered voodoo magic in my wheelhouse.